Are you excited about starting your own business? In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up your first e-commerce store, turning your business idea into a reality. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or an existing business owner looking to expand online, this step-by-step guide will provide you with all the necessary information and resources to get started. From choosing the right platform to designing your store, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to harness the power of e-commerce and take your business to new heights. Watch this video now and get ready to launch your online store. 1. E-commerce store setup. 2. Business idea to reality. 3. Starting an online business. 4. E-commerce platform selection. 5. Online store design. Welcome to Turn Your Business Idea into Reality, setting up your first e-commerce store. Are you ready to take your business online? Today, we will guide you through the process of setting up your very own e-commerce store, helping you transform your business idea into a thriving online venture. From choosing the right platform to designing your store, we've got all the information you need. Let's get started. Before we dive into the exciting world of e-commerce, let's quickly understand what it is and why it's essential for businesses today. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. With the rapid growth of online shopping, having an e-commerce store has become crucial for businesses of all sizes. It allows you to reach a global audience, operate 24/7, and provide a convenient shopping experience for your customers. So, if you're ready to join the e-commerce revolution, let's begin. Step 1. The first step in setting up your e-commerce store is choosing the right platform. There are several options available, so it's important to consider your business needs and goals. Let's explore a few popular platforms. Suppose there is a Platform A. Platform A is known for its user-friendly interface and extensive range of features. It offers customizable templates, secure payment gateways, and seamless integration with various third-party tools. If you're looking for simplicity and scalability, Platform A might be the right choice for you. Suppose there is a Platform B. Platform B is a robust solution catering to businesses with more complex needs. It provides advanced customization options, built-in SEO tools, and multi-channel selling capabilities. If you aim to have a sophisticated online store with extensive control over your design and functionality, Platform B can be a great fit. Suppose there is a Platform C. Platform C is renowned for its budget-friendly pricing plans and ease of use. It offers pre-designed templates, secure hosting, and mobile-friendly layouts. If you're just starting and want a hassle-free solution that won't break the bank, Platform C could be the ideal starting point for your e-commerce journey. Remember, it's essential to compare features, pricing, and customer reviews before making your final decision. Now that you have chosen the platform perfect for your business, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Your e-commerce store's design plays a crucial role in attracting and engaging customers. It should reflect your brand identity and provide an excellent user experience. Let's explore some key elements to consider when designing your store. Theme selection. The theme you choose sets the overall look and feel of your store. Ensure it aligns with your brand's aesthetic and showcases your products effectively. Look for themes that are responsive, customizable, and optimized for mobile devices. Branding and customization. Customize your store's colors, fonts, and images to match your brand identity. Consistency in branding creates a memorable shopping experience for your customers and builds trust in your business. Navigation and user experience. Simplify navigation to ensure your customers can easily find the products they're looking for. Optimize loading speeds and make the checkout process seamless to reduce cart abandonment rates. High-quality product images and descriptions. Your product images should be clear, high-resolution, and visually appealing. Write compelling and detailed descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of each product. This will help customers make informed purchasing decisions. Keep in mind that designing an e-commerce store is an ongoing process. Regularly analyze user behavior and make improvements to enhance your customer's experience continually. Step 3. With your e-commerce platform selected and store designed, it's time to start adding products and integrating payment methods. Product catalog creation. Create detailed product listings with accurate titles, descriptions, and pricing. Organize your products into relevant categories and use high-quality images to attract customers. Ensure your catalog is easy to navigate and search. Secure payment integration. Select a reliable and secure payment gateway that supports various payment options. This enables your customers to have a seamless and safe checkout experience. Popular payment gateways include cash on delivery, online transaction, and try to provide them with EMI option. Remember, providing a variety of payment options can increase customer satisfaction and conversion rates. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your first e-commerce store. By turning your business idea into reality through this online venture, you have opened up new opportunities for growth and success. Remember to continuously analyze your store's performance, stay updated on industry trends, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Embrace the power of e-commerce and watch your business thrive.